Ever wondered why some people achieve immense wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Is there a secret formula to becoming rich that you might be missing out on? Well, in this video, we are going to share with you key habits that set the wealthy apart from the financially challenged. The rich embrace the law of income. Wealthy individuals firmly believe in the law of income, a fundamental principle that distinguishes their mindset from those struggling financially. This law dictates that one's earnings are directly proportional to the value they provide to the marketplace. In essence, rich individuals understand that it's not just about hours they put into work, it's about the impact and value they deliver. Unlike those who equate income with the time invested, wealthy people focus on the results. They recognize that in our results-driven world, it's the outcome that truly matter. They strive to create, innovate, and solve problems, knowing that their financial success depends on the solutions they offer to others. This perspective enables them to seek out opportunities to provide exceptional value. Whether it is developing a product that fulfills a universal need or offering services that address specific pain points, the rich are attuned to the demand for genuine value in the marketplace. In contrast, those who struggle financially often fixate on the time spent on tasks and expect compensation solely based on their effort. While hard work is undoubtedly important, it is incomplete without the key ingredient of delivering substantial value. Hence, they might find themselves perpetually stuck in a cycle where their income doesn't reflect their expectations. Ultimately, understanding and applying the law of income can be a game changer in your journey towards financial success. It underscores the importance of delivering real value and focusing on outcomes rather than just inputs. By adopting this mindset, you can take significant steps towards achieving your financial goals. The rich champion the art of reading. Wealthy individuals share a common trait that sets them apart. They are voracious readers. They recognize that the acquisition of knowledge is an invaluable asset on their journey to financial success. Reading is a lifelong learning journey. The rich understand that learning doesn't end with formal education. Instead, they view reading as a way to continue their education throughout life. Every book they read represents an opportunity to gain new insights, skills, and perspectives. Knowledge compounds like interest. Wealthy people appreciate the compounding effect of knowledge. Similar to how money invested wisely grows over time, the knowledge they accumulate through reading builds upon itself. This continuous learning process allows them to make more informed decisions and seize opportunities that others might overlook. Access the minds of experts. Books provide direct access to thoughts and experiences of experts in various fields. Whether it's Warren Buffett sharing his investment strategies or Bill Gates discussing technology trends, rich individuals leverage books to tap into the wisdom of the world's most accomplished individuals. A habit of discipline. Reading regularly requires discipline and time management, two qualities that are essential for success. It's a habit that helps them structure their day and prioritize self-improvement. In conclusion, being an avid reader is a hallmark of the wealthy. It's not just a pastime, but a strategic investment in personal growth and success. The rich focus on opportunities amid challenges. One of the defining characteristics of wealthy individuals is their remarkable ability to perceive opportunities where others see insurmountable obstacles. They possess a unique mindset that empowers them to turn challenges into stepping stones to success. When confronted with adversity, the rich don't throw in the towel. Instead, they analyze the situation, seeking hidden potential. They understand that within every problem lies the seed of an opportunity waiting to be nurtured. This perspective allows them to remain resilient in the face of setbacks. Consider the story of the shoe salesman trying to sell shoes in a place where people didn't wear them. The first salesman gave up, convinced of the impossibility. In contrast, the second salesman recognized an untapped market and saw the absence of shoes as an opportunity to provide something novel. This story exemplifies the rich mindset, seeing potential where others only see barriers. Moreover, this focus on opportunities aligns with their innovative spirit. The rich are more likely to experiment with new ideas and approaches, knowing that innovation is often the key to breaking new ground in business and finance. In essence, the rich thrive on the idea that challenges are opportunities in disguise. This mindset empowers them to navigate turbulent waters, adapt to changing circumstances, and ultimately seize opportunities that others might overlook. It's a valuable lesson for everyone aspiring to improve their financial prospects. Embrace challenges as a path to growth and success. The rich cultivate positive connections. One of the hallmark habits of wealthy individuals is their conscious decision to surround themselves with positive, successful people. This deliberate choice significantly influences their journey toward financial success and personal development. It's a strategic approach to their social circles that yields numerous advantages. Rich individuals recognize that the company they keep profoundly affects their mindset and behavior. By associating with positive, successful individuals, they are continually inspired to set ambitious goals, strive for excellence, and believe in their own potential. This positive influence creates a supportive environment that encourages them to aim higher. Moreover, wealth often relies on networking and making valuable connections. Successful people actively seek relationships with others who share their drive for success. These connections become valuable assets, opening doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and partnerships that can enhance their financial prospects. Being part of a circle of successful people also means access to a wealth of knowledge and experience. Conversations within this network often revolve around achievements, strategies, and lessons learned. This environment fosters the exchange of valuable insights, further enriching their understanding of how to navigate the path to success. Lastly, being connected to positive, successful individuals exposes them to opportunities across various industries. By participating in this social network, they position themselves at the forefront of these opportunities, whether in investments, business ventures, or personal growth. In conclusion, surrounding themselves with positive, successful people is not merely a lifestyle choice, it's a strategic decision that accelerates their path to financial success. By seeking out such relationships, you can tap into a supportive network that inspires, educates, and connects you to opportunities that can lead to your own financial prosperity. The rich confidently showcase their value. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of self-promotion and showcasing their value. This isn't about arrogance, but about recognizing that if they have a skill, idea, or product that has brought them wealth, sharing it benefits both them and the society. At its core, self-promotion is about effective communication. The rich are adept at articulating their strengths, experiences, and accomplishments. They understand that this communication isn't just about bragging. It's about demonstrating how their skills or products can genuinely benefit others. On the other hand, those struggling financially often underestimate the importance of self-promotion. They may possess valuable skills or ideas, but fail to effectively communicate their worth. This can lead to missed opportunities for career advancement or entrepreneurial success. Furthermore, self-promotion plays a crucial role in networking. Rich individuals are more likely to confidently present themselves and their achievements when meeting others. This self-assuredness can leave a lasting impression and open doors to collaboration, partnerships, and mentorship opportunities. In essence, the willingness to promote oneself and one's value is a vital component of financial success. It's about recognizing that your skills, knowledge, and contributions have worth and actively sharing them with the world. By doing so, you are not only benefiting yourself but also creating a positive ripple effect in your personal and professional life. In conclusion, these 5 habits distinguish the rich from the poor. By adopting these practices, you will be better equipped to pursue financial success. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to WealthWiser for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.